how to send messages or photos on text files or email. So if you want to go ahead and send text messages or even photos through your phone's text messenger or your email, it's pretty simple to do so. Basically, you're going to come over to your phone, and let's say in my case it's an Android, right? So on your SIM, on your mobile SIMs, you're simply going to open up your messaging app. So let's say in my case it's WeChat, right? So you can simply send it through that, or even use softwares like WhatsApp, where you can simply go ahead and send people images. And of course, the best way is to use your email. So on your phone, you can either run up your browser, like go over to Chrome and run up your email over here, or simply use the Gmail app inside of your email. But generally, what people do is they just log their emails in onto their browsers. And as you can see, I have my email right here. And once I log in, what I can do is I can literally mail it to any of my phone contacts. It will recognize them, sync them. And once it is synced, what's going to happen from there on out is you can simply go ahead and use your account transfer for yourself pretty easily. Okay. Now, once that is done, simply send out the emails through your general Gmail or whatever email provider you have. And by doing so, what's going to happen is you can send out emails pretty easily. So simply go over to Compose. Once you go over to Compose, choose who is the person you are writing to, and simply once that is done, you're going to come right here where it's going to show you this paperclip icon. Come down and simply click on this paperclip, click on attach a file, and from here, just send any image and you're good to go. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.